Welcome to my senior project, the revitalization of the Plumas-Sierra County Fairgrounds. The revitalization of the Plumas-Sierra County Fairgrounds is intended to provide quality visitor experience and bring commerce to the community of Quincy while celebrating the history and culture of Plumas County. Located in Quincy, California, the fairground sits at the heart of Plumas County and consists of 62 acres of buildings and open space. Unfortunately, there are 8 major issues encompassing the fairgrounds preventing optimal use of the site. 1. Insufficient parking. 2. Lack of sustainability. 3. Impacts from adjacent development. 4. Conflicting uses. 5. Lack of flow and efficiency in circulation and organization. 6. Scarce legibility and wayfinding. 7. Deficient universal accessibility. And 8. Absence of culture. The overall focus of this project is to give new life to the fairgrounds by exploring innovative ways to eliminate these issues. Plumas County is located in northeast California where the Sierra Nevadas meet the Cascades, and also near the Nevada border. Quincy is located approximately halfway between Chico, California and Reno, Nevada. The actual site of my project lies within East Quincy. The site is surrounded by Cemetery Hill at the southwest and the Sierra Pacific Wood Mill at the northeast. The Plumas-Sierra County Fairgrounds is home to a variety of yearly events such as the County Picnic, High Sierra Music Festival, and the Plumas-Sierra County Fair. This first map indicates the current site boundaries in red and potential for expansion in orange. The next one indicates existing buildings. The dark blue are major buildings, yellow are livestock barns, green are restrooms, and red are historic buildings. This next diagram explores the connections of existing buildings, and the next map depicts existing fences on site. This next map points out the main entrances onto the site, and the next highlights major intersection points within the site. This next map denotes current parking situations such as dirt parking, street parking, and very limited paved parking. The next map shows vegetation within and around the site. The next map highlights the disorganized circulation patterns in and around the site. And the next map displays surrounding land use. The next map illustrates the various opportunities for off-site connections, and the next map highlights the noise from the mill and the echo off of Cemetery Hill. The next map shows the limited variety of soils on site, and the next map lays out the 100-year floodplain just north of the site. The next map indicates the direction of stormwater runoff, and the last map indicates various views to the surrounding mountains. The existing program isn't structured very well, and about 20% of the site is being underused. This is my ideal program. It is much more structured and treats many of the issues more evenly. For my first concept, I chose to go with a conventional design. The things I didn't like about this design concept were the racetrack location, the west-east promenade at the north of the site, the beer gardens and pond at the northwest corner, the food courts and booth location, and the paved parking at the southwest corner. Some of the things I did like about this design concept were the rodeo livestock area location, the new roads, the multi-use of overflow parking, the new Old Town location, the promenade idea throughout the site, and the paved parking areas on the east side. For my second concept, I chose to explore a very organic design with some extensions to the boundaries. The things I didn't like about this design concept were the roads, that there's no road on the west side of the site, the paved parking at the southwest corner, and the pond ice rink location. The things I did like about this design concept were the carnival lawn location, the racetrack concert venue location, the park idea at the southwest corner, the new art barn location, the promenades throughout the middle of the site, and that the racetrack and rodeo areas are opposite of each other. For my third concept, I chose to explore a rigid, axial design with ultimate boundary extensions. Some of the things I didn't like about this design concept were the pedestrian gates at the north of the site, the road connections at the east side, activities around the center, and the road layout at the west side. The things I did like about this design concept were the circulation throughout the site, the variety of gated entrances and exits, the axial layout, the art barn and peppered cabin relocations, and the parking at the west side of the site. The next step in my design process is to come up with a final design concept. I plan to use the axial design concept as a base. Once I have my final design concept, I plan to start preliminary design on specific areas and then use these mini plans to create a final master plan. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this presentation, and I look forward to any feedback or comments you may have.